Okay, so here we are. Now we have this layer here. I go to Centroid. With the right click, you find this menu and go to Export, Save Future As. So here you will find probably as a shapefile or something like that. You have to select GPS exchange format, GPX. Here you give a place where to save it. Centroid, just give a name, don't give an extension. And then from here, select GPX. So save. Once you do save, I did cancel because I already did to have it ready. So once we have this, remember, very important, GPX use extension. Yes. Geometry type, point. So let's give a name anyway, test. Coordinate. Okay, let's give a name. So once we got all this point, remember, format GPX. File name, give a location, give a name with no dot, no extension. It will find by itself. But the extension select GPX, which is anyway already here. It is fine as a for this you select WGS84 pseudomercator, point the geometry type, and GPS user extension, yes. Okay, yes. So now run, and you will find in the saved folder your Centroid. You did. And here give me this test coordinate. So once we are now in our file, which is, in my case, I put it in a folder here, I guess. Okay, let's see which one I put. The last. Okay, you will see I have a GPX file. This file just drop or copy or cut and insert in our GPX folder of our GPS device, which means that once we have the GPS, GPS outdoor device with us, with the connector USB, insert in the computer, it will open with the folder. We have to select the folder GPX. And that file we produced, which is this one, this with the extension GPX, must be copied in the GPS folder called GPX. Once we have that, we have all this point in our GPX, sorry, in our GPS, and there, once we are in the site, we do waypoint, we find the waypoint, and we basically have our camera. So that's all basically for what we need. As you see, you can put here label that give a number to the very small here, but anyway in the GPX, in the GPS device, we will have a label that you can read when you need to. Do you see here where you need to find the point? So you can say to your colleague, okay, you go to the number 1, I go to the from number 10, so that you don't get confused for that. Okay, at the moment I think is everything. Now we are going to talk about the situation where we don't know the area. So how we can find the best habitat if we don't know the area, and where to put our camera traps, and reproducing the grid like that in an area we don't know well. So see you in the next video.